In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a hidden pictures game here in Google Slides. So this is a creative game that you can definitely play with your students to pique their interest about an upcoming lesson or about their actual lesson. So here in my example, we have these tiles surrounding the entire slide. So the game is if they pick a number from 1 to 12 to reveal the image in the background, let's say number 2. There you have it. Let's say number 7. There you go. And once they have made a guess, then you can simply reveal what the image is right here. So to do this, what we're going to do is to start with a blank slide. There we go. Now that we have our blank slide, to make sure that all the tiles that we have right here on our game would be equal, we will be starting with a table. So let's go to Insert in the menu bar and select Table right here. Then select how many tiles you want to cover your slide or your image with. I'm going to be using 12. There we go, 4 by 3. If I click on that, there we have it. I'm just going to reposition this in that corner and drag it to the opposite corner to fill in the entire slide. And there you go. So again, this will just be our guide to fill in the equally sized tiles within our slide. So now we're going to insert our shape. We're going to be using a rectangle. There we go. Let's create our shape with that guide. So here are the red lines telling you that it is aligned. There we go. Now that we've made our first tile, all we have to do now is to just copy this. So click on it, copy, and paste. Drag that shape to where the next tile should be. There we go. Again, paste. So you're going to keep doing this until you've filled all these tiles within your slide. So again, we're using a rectangle shape. And we are using this rectangle shape for our 12 tiles to cover up our image. And there we have it. We have perfectly aligned all of the 12 tiles with the table in the background as our guide. Now I'm just going to select all these 12 tiles without selecting the table in the background by pressing on the Shift key on the keyboard, then clicking on all the 12 tiles. After I've selected all the 12 tiles, I'm going to right-click on them and group them together. Now that I've grouped them together, I can just easily move it to the side, select the table, and delete it. There you go. So you can delete that by just selecting it and then pressing delete on your keyboard. I'm just going to reposition this back to my slide, right-click on it, and ungroup. There we have it. So now we have these individual tiles that will be covering up our image. Now we can format this. Just select everything. Go to the border color, select the color that you want for the borders. That's totally up to you. I'm going to just stick to a black color and then increase the border weight to make it more visible to, let's say, 3 points. There we have it. Now for the fill color, again, select everything. This will be your choice. You can choose whichever color you like. I'm just going to go for this orange color right here. Maybe a bit too bright. A lighter one maybe. There we go. And now we can also add our numbers. Now within our shapes, we can always add text. So all you have to do is double click on it. And there you have it. There's the bar line. That would indicate that you can add any text within your shape. So I'm just going to put in the numbers. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4. Double click and enter your text. Keep doing it to the rest of your tiles. And there we have it. Again, we can select everything, format the numbers that we have within our shapes. So make that bigger, put it in bold, and maybe even change the font style. The last step would be to choose the image that we want to put in the background of these tiles. So let's go to Insert and select Image. Now, if you already have a specific image that you're going to be using downloaded onto your computer drive, you can always just upload it from computer. Or if not, then you can just search the web. For this one, I'm going to search the web, click on that. So for my first example, I used the Colosseum because we are discussing about the 7 wonders of the world. So let me try another one, and that's gonna be the Taj Mahal. There we go, press enter, and there you have it. Now just select the picture that you want to use. Again, this is totally up to you. I'm gonna try and use this one, click on insert, and there you have it. Now I'm just going to stretch it out by dragging this corner right here. Let me zoom out a little. There we go, and I'm just gonna crop it. And I think we're good. So let me just fit it onto my slide. Right click and order this to the back. And there we have it. So now we have our tiles at the front and our image in the background. So if it's time to reveal the answer, let me just move this to the side and copy that image. Put that back. There we go. Add another blank slide and paste that image there. And there you have it. So again, if they do guess what it is, you can reveal the actual image by just going to the next slide. So now if it's time to share or project this slide to your students, you can just hide your film strip right here and hide the menu. And there you have it. So now you can ask your students some questions, and then they can pick some numbers within the slide so that we can reveal the image and they can start guessing. Once they've picked a number, let's say number 8, you can just select it, then delete. There you have it. If they haven't guessed the correct one, they can pick another one. Let's say number 6. There we go. Still not guessing it right, but maybe with another pick from the tiles and delete it. There you have it. If they do already have a guess and it's the correct one, then just go to the next slide to reveal the entire image. And there you have it. That's how to create a hidden pictures game here in Google Slides. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do leave a like and subscribe for more helpful videos. See you on the next one.